Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the rotor assembly on your LG washer. These instructions also apply to some Kenmore models that were manufactured by LG. These Kenmore models have 796 as the first three digits of their model number. The rotor assembly aligns with the Stator and Hall sensor to make up the drive motor that agitates and spins the washer. If the rotor is cracked or damaged, the washer may display an LE error code or may not spin or agitate at all. Also, the splines in the middle of the rotor assembly can strip and cause the washer not to turn. This plastic housing that holds the splines is not sold separately, so if they are broken, the whole assembly will need to be replaced. If you need to purchase a new rotor assembly for your LG washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. For this repair, you'll need to disconnect power and water to the washer. On the back of the washer, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws holding the back panel to the washer. Next, lift the back panel till the bottom retainers are free. Then, lower the back panel to free the top retainers and set it aside. Then, using a 17mm socket, remove the bolt holding the rotor in place. When removing this bolt, we suggest removing it with an impact drill. If you do not have an impact drill, you can remove it by hand, but you will need to hold the rotor by hand and use a jerking motion to break it free. Or, if possible, have someone hold the basket in place. Next, slide the rotor off of the washer. You may need to wiggle it from side to side to get it to slide off, as there are magnets on the inside of the assembly. If you need to purchase a new rotor assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. Align the rotor assembly to the washer and press it into place. When installing the rotor assembly, be careful to not pinch your fingers, as the rotor assembly will pull itself towards the stator. You may need to spin it to make sure that the inner teeth are aligned. Before installing the rotor assembly's bolt, make sure to apply thread lock to the bolt in order to keep it in place. It is recommended to put a drop of blue thread lock in the center of the bolt's thread, then start it by hand to prevent cross-threading. Do not put the thread lock into the hole for the bolt. If you're installing the bolt by hand, you may need to hold the rotor in place to secure it or use a jerking motion. If available, we recommend using an impact drill. Next, align the back panel to the back of the washer so that the top 2 tabs go under the retainers. Then, lower the back panel so that the 2 lower retainers sit in the slots on the washer. Next, reinstall the 4 screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.